Hi students, this is Murali Krishna Daneti. Today we are going to discuss very important topic, that is what is the definition of geometric means, what is the definition of geometric means, and how to find the geometric mean between any two given numbers, and how to find the geometric mean between any two given numbers, and how to insert n geometric mean between two given numbers, and how to insert n geometric mean between two given numbers, and what is the product of n geometric mean between two given numbers. Let us discuss one by one. First one, geometric means. Geometric means geometric means definition means let a and b be two given numbers. Let a and b be two given numbers if n numbers, that is g1 comma g2 comma g3 and so on gn are inserted between a and b, or inserted between a and b, then such that a comma g1 comma g2 comma g3 and so on gn comma b is a geometric progression, then these numbers that is g1 g2 g3, then these numbers g1 g2 g3 and so on gn are called are are known as n geometric means between two given numbers. Observe here, geometric means definition. If let a and b be two given numbers, let a and b be two given numbers. If n numbers g1, g2, g3 and so on gn are inserted between a and b, such that a comma g1 comma g2 comma g3 and so on gn comma b is a geometric progression, then these numbers is nothing but g1 g2 g3 and so on gn are called n geometric means between two given numbers. This is the geometric mean definition. And how to find the geometric mean, that is single geometric mean between two given numbers, means geometric mean. Let us assume that the single geometric mean g, let single geometric mean g be inserted between two given numbers, that is a and b. Let us assume that single geometric mean g be inserted between two given numbers a and b, such that a comma g comma b are in geometric progression. We know that in a geometric progression, the ratio of any two consecutive terms, is the same. That means T2 by T1 is equals to T3 by T2. This is T1, this is T2, this is T3. Is nothing but T2 by T1. That means G by A is equals to T3 by T2. That means B by G. If you do cross multiplication here, that is G into G, we get G square, and A into B, that is AB. So if you transpose square LHS to RHS, it will become square root. So G is equals to square root of AB. That is square root of AB. Then therefore G is equals square root of AB. Therefore the geometric mean G of any two given numbers A and B is given by the geometric mean of any two given numbers. Geometric mean of any two given numbers is given by G is equals to square root of AB. Let us discuss one more example. Observe one example. Find geometric mean between 2 and 32. Find geometric mean between 2 and 32. That means we want find single geometric mean. We want find single geometric mean between 2 and 32, two given quantities. Is nothing but here A is equals to 2 and B is equals to 32. We know that the geometric mean between any two given numbers. We know that the geometric mean between any two given numbers is G is equals to square root of AB. G is equals to square root of AB. That is equals to G is equals to square root of 2 into 32 is nothing but square root of 64. Square root of 64. Square root of 64 can be written as 8 whole square. 8 whole square. Square root get cancelled. Is nothing but 8. So 8 is the single geometric mean. 8 is the single geometric mean between two given numbers 2 and 32. Observe here 2 comma 8 comma 32. 2 comma 8 comma 32. 8 by 2, that means T2 by T1 is nothing but 8 by 2 is nothing but 4, and T3 by T2, 32 by 8, that is also 4. Clearly they are in geometric progression. Let us discuss another example. Find geometric mean, single geometric mean between -9 and -4. Find single geometric mean between -9 and -4. We know that the geometric mean between any two given numbers is given by G is equals to square root of AB. G is equals to square root of AB. Here A is equals to -9 and B is equals to -4. Right here G is equals to square root of -9 into -4. Square root of -9 into -4 can be written as square root of -9 into square root of -4. Square root of -9 into square root of square root of AB is equals to square root of A into square root of B. That is equals to square root of -9. Square root of -9 nothing but square root of -1 into 9 into square root of -4 can be written as square root of -1 into 4. Square root of -1 into 4. That is equals, this can be written as square root of -1 into square root of 9 into square root of -1 into square root of 4. That is equal square root of -1 nothing but I into, that is square root of 9 is 3. 3I into square root of -1 is again I into square root of 4 is nothing but 2, that is 2I. 3 2s are 6I square, that is equals to -6. -6 is the single geometric mean between -9 and -4. -6 is the single geometric mean between -9 and -4. Observe here, if A and B, here A and B have the same signs, +2 and +32. Here A and B have the same signs, -9 and -4. So if A and B have the same signs, if you find geometric mean between given numbers is like this. If A and B have opposite signs, then the geometric mean between two given numbers is does not exist. If the given numbers have opposite sign, then the geometric mean between given numbers is does not exist. Next one. Here one point, if a1 comma A2 comma A3 comma and so on an be n numbers if a1 comma a2 comma a3 comma and so on an be n numbers, then geometric geometric mean of these numbers, geometric mean of these numbers is given by, observe here, if a1 a2 a3 and so on an, if a1 a2 a3 and so on an be n numbers, then geometric mean of these given number, these numbers is given by, a1 into a2 into a3 into a4 into and so on an whole to the power 1 by n. The geometric mean of two numbers is AB, square root of AB is nothing but AB whole power 1 by 2. The geometric mean of three numbers ABC whole to the power 1 by 3. The geometric mean of ABCD is ABCD whole to the power 1 by 4. Then the geometric mean of A1, A2, A3, A4 and so on n numbers is nothing but a1 into a2 into a3 into a4 into and so on an whole power 1 by n. How to insert n geometric mean between two given numbers and how to find each geometric mean and how to find the common ratio means. Observe here. N geometric means between two given numbers. N geometric means between two given numbers. Let G1 comma G2 comma G3 comma and so on Gn are with the n geometric means between n geometric means between two given numbers, A and B. That means A comma G1 comma G2 comma G3 comma and so on Gn comma B clearly is in geometric progression, are in geometric progression. We want G1, G2, G3, G4 and so on Gn. If you want G1, this position, this is A, this is general form of geometric progression is A, AR square, AR cube and so on. This is A, this is AR. We want common ratio R. How to find the common ratio R means, observe here, A comma G1 comma G2 comma G3 comma and so on Gn comma B are in geometric progression. This is the first term is A and last term is B. Here, total number of terms is n plus 2 terms. N plus, these are n terms, this is n plus 1, this is n plus 2. Total number of terms we have n plus 2 terms. The position of B is A n plus 2 term is nothing but B. A n plus 2 term is nothing but B. We know that in geometric progression, the general term or nth term is AR to power AN is equals to, we know that AN is equals to AR power n minus 1. AN is equals to AR power n minus 1. Here AN plus 2 means AR power n value n plus 2 minus 1 is equals to B. AR power n plus 2 minus 1 is nothing but plus 1. AR power n plus 1 is equals to B. We want common ratio R. If you send A LHS to RHS, from LHS to RHS, it will become division quantity. So R power n plus 1 is equals to B by A. We want common ratio R. So n plus 1 send L from LHS to RHS, it will becomes R is equals to B by A whole to the power 1 by N plus 1. So common ratio R is equals to B by A whole to the power 1 by N plus 1. This is called common ratio. We want G1. We want G1. So G1, this is A, this is AR. So G1 is equals to AR is nothing but here A is A, R value B by A whole power 1 by N plus 1. This is G1. We want G2. G2 position is AR square. This is AR square. So G2 is AR square is nothing but A into, here common ratio R is B by A whole power 1 by N plus 1 whole square means A power M whole power N is equals to A power M and it will becomes 2 by N plus 1. G3, third geometric mean is, this is AR square, this is AR cube. So AR cube, that is A into R value here, B by A whole power 1 by N plus 1 and whole cube means A power M whole power N equals again A power M and it will become 3 by N plus 1 and so on. Gn is equals to AR power N is nothing but A into B by A whole to the power N by N plus 1. These are the N geometric means. N geometric means inserted between two given numbers and how to find the common ratio. Let us discuss one example here. Here one example. Insert three geometric means between 2 and 1 by 4 and 4 by 9. Insert three geometric means between 2 and 1 by 4 and 4 by 9. Observe here two given numbers. A is equals to 2 and 1 by 4. This is a mixed fraction converted into improper fraction. 4 2 is 8, 8 plus 1 is nothing but 9 by 4. B is equals to 4 by 9. 4 by 9. First geometric mean. We want three geometric means. First geometric means G1 is equals to. First we have to find common ratio R. We know that common ratio R is equals to common ratio R is equals to B by A whole to the power 1 by N plus 1. We know that if n geometric means are inserted between two given quantities, then the common ratio R is equals to B by A whole to the power 1 by N plus 1. So R is equals to, here B value 4 by 9 by A value 9 by 4 whole to the power 1 by, we want 3 GMs. So 1 by N value here N is equals to 3. So 1 by 3 plus 1. So R is equals to 4 by 9 into 9 by 4, reciprocal is 4 by 9 whole to the power 1 by 4. Here 9, here R is equals to 4 by 9, it will becomes 2 by 3 whole to the power 4 whole power 1 by 4. 2 by 3 whole square, 2 by 3 whole square. 2 by 3 whole square into 2 by 3 whole square is nothing but 2 by 3 whole power 4 whole to the power 1 by 4. 4 get cancelled. Common ratio R is equals to 2 by 3. Common ratio R is equals to how much? 2 by 3. We want first geometric mean. That means G1. G1 is nothing but AR. G1 is nothing but AR. That is equals to, G1 is equals to, here A value 9 by 4 into R value is here 2 by 3. 3 ones, 3 threes, 2 ones are, 2 twos are. So first geometric mean is 3 by 2. We want second geometric mean G2. G2 is equals to, is nothing but AR square. That is equals to A value here 9 by 4 and R value 2 by 3. 2 by 3 whole square, nothing but 9 by 4 into 4 by 9. 4 9 get cancelled. 1 is the second geometric mean between two given numbers. We want third geometric means. G3. G3 is equals to AR cube. It's nothing but 9 by 4 into R value 2 by 3 whole cube. That is equals to 9 by 4 into 2 by 3 whole cube means 2 cube means 8 and 3 cube means 27. That is 9 ones are 9 threes are 4 ones are 4 twos are, that is 2 by 3. Therefore, 3 geometric means 3 GMs are first one 3 by 2, second one 1 and third one is 2 by 3. Therefore, 3 by 2 and 1 comma 1 and 2 by 3 is the 3 geometric means between two given numbers. Last one, next one. Observe here one theorem, most important theorem. Observe here. If n geometric means are inserted between two given quantities, n geometric means are inserted between two given quantities, then the product of n geometric means, is the then the product of n geometric means is the nth power of the single geometric mean. Then the product of n geometric means is the nth power of the single geometric mean between the two given quantities. Observe here proof. Let us assume that G1 comma G2 comma G3 comma and so on Gn are n GMs between two given quantities A and B. Let us assume that G1 comma G2 comma G3 comma and so on Gn are n GMs between two given quantities A and B. Then A comma G1 comma G2 G3 and so on comma Gn comma B is a that geometric progression. We know that if n geometric means are inserted between two given quantities, then the common ratio R is equals to R is equals to nothing but B by A whole to the power 1 by n plus 1. Let us assume that given n geometric quantities G1, G2, G3, G2, Gn are the n GMs between two given quantities A and B. So A comma G1 comma G2 comma G3 comma and so on Gn and B is clearly it is in geometric progression. So how to find the common ratio means clearly if n geometric means are inserted between two given quantities, then the common ratio R is equals to B by A whole to the power 1 by n plus 1. So this is the G is equals G1 is equals this is A and this is compare with general form of geometric progression. G1 is equals to nothing but AR. G2 is nothing but AR square. G3 is nothing but AR cube and so on. Gn is nothing but AR power n. We want if n geometric means are inserted between two given quantities, then the product of n geometric means is nothing but G1 into G2 into G3 into and so on into Gn. G1 is nothing but AR into G2 is nothing but AR square into G3 is nothing but AR cube and so on into Gn means AR power n. Here A into A into A into A into A into A and so on A up to n times it can be written as A power n into. Observe here R into R power 1, R power 2, R power 3 and so on R power n. We know that A power m into A power n is equals to A to the power m plus n. So R power 1 into R power 2 into R power 3 and so on R power n can be written as 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus and so on plus n. That is equals to A power n into R to the power, observe here 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus and so on plus n. The sum of the first n natural numbers. The sum of the first n natural number formula is n into n plus 1 by 2. So it can be written as n into n plus 1 by 2. That is equals to, that means the sum of first n natural number formula what? N into n plus 1 by 2. So it can be written as n into n plus 1 by 2. So a power n into, we know that common ratio r is equals to b by a by whole to the power 1 by n plus 1. Substitute r value here, b by a whole to the power 1 by n plus 1 whole power n into n plus 1 by 2. So n plus 1 get cancelled. That is equals to a power n into b by a whole to the power n by 2. That is equals to a power n into, we know that a by b whole to the power m is equals to a power m by b power n. So b by a whole power n by 2 is equals to b power n by 2, b power n by 2 by a power n by 2. We know that a power m by a power n is equals to a to the power m minus n. So it can be written as a power n minus n by 2 into b power n by 2. N minus n by 2 is nothing but 2 into n, 2n minus n, that is equals to a power n by 2 into b power n by 2. A power m into b power m is equals to ab whole to the power m. So a power n by 2 into b power n by 2, it can be written as ab whole power n by 2. ab whole to the power n by 2. So this can be written as square root of ab whole to the power n. Square root of ab whole to the power n. Observe here, if n geometric means are inserted between two given quantities, then the product of n geometric means, then the product of n geometric means is the nth power of the single geometric means. Square root of ab is nothing but single geometric mean between two given quantities. So n quantities. So n geometric, the product of n geometric mean is the nth power of the single geometric mean between the two given quantities. Let us discuss next.